Hi, I'm Brent Nelson, BDM with Allegis Corporation.
Yeah, hi, I'm Barry Kreider. I'm engineering manager with Steffes ETS, Dickinson, North Dakota.
Barry, please tell us a little bit about Steffes and what do you guys do?
So at Steffes ETS, we manufacture, you know, residential and commercial heating products, um, electric thermal storage products that provide great comfort to people across the United States and Canada.
Barry, can you please tell us a little bit about what products we currently provide Steffes and how does that benefit you?
So currently today we use some ProFit adhesive back foam products for our air handling systems and some other plenum type devices that we supply for our heating equipment. Those products supply us with gasketing and different solutions for different scenarios for our heating products.
In the last couple of years, you utilized our engineering services. How has that benefited Steffes and yourself?
Sure. So, I'm constantly looking for different ways to, reduce the fastener count on the products I have, or come up with alternative solutions to fasteners. And with that, working with yourself and John Starkey, we came up with a solution to try, some VHB tape, and going through that process, getting many samples from Allegis. I've taken the opportunity to do my own, testing of the product. I like to break the product, make sure that product fits me before we can put it into our heating equipment. We've had successes and we've had failures, and it's been great. John and Brent have helped me through this process and coming up with creative ideas for our heating products.